Hi guys, watching Dean's Fishing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, we are at the creek and you can see there's bream and little fish, and we're gonna try to catch them. So let's do it. Alright guys, I just caught a live fish. It's on the hook right now. I'm going to cast it out and try to catch a fish. Yes, perfect. Now we just wait for a little bit and hopefully I can get one. Oh, and I'm on. Oh, I got a cod. Alright guys, I got a cod. Cod have very sharp teeth, so I need to be careful. Perfect hook. Okay, that's a fish that we caught, a cod, and we're gonna put it back now, so let's do it. Hey. Oh, there he goes. Okay guys, we just found a crab and they are a good sign because they are good bait for blue bone, and I'm going to try to catch it, so let's do it. Oh yeah, it's a big blue crab. Got him. Okay guys, I got a big blue crab. He's in my hands right now. See? Big crab. Oh, he's trying to get away. And that's how we catch a blue crab. So let's put it in a bucket with water. Okay guys, I just got snagged and I got to show you my twang move. You just grab it like this and pull it back, then it's free, see? Completely free. Got it. Yes, I got a bream, guys. Oh, and he swallowed the hook. Guys, I'm just gonna get my tool, so I'll be back. Alright guys, we tried to revive this fish, but sad, it didn't make it. So it's not a legal size to keep it for bait, so we just have to put it in the water to get a shark to eat it. So let's do it. Ow. Did it tip over?
I'm not sure, girl.
No, I didn't. I got a crab. I'm going to show you guys in the bucket. It's pinching me right now. Okay, guys, we caught 2 fish and 2 crabs. And these crabs are good blue bone bait. And we're going to keep them until the next video and try to catch a blue bone with them. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn off the notifications bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye.